Hello, in front of me I've got Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In this video I'll show you how to use passive entry. In the beginning, make sure that the car is locked. Place your key in your bag or pocket. As you can see, the doors are locked. If the keys are nearby, the only thing you have to do to unlock the doors is simply grab the handle. If you want to lock your car without using the key, simply press this button. And now doors should be locked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.